like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and nothing like them.
Hi guys. Hey guys, I'm here today and I have my craft club. And I wanted to show you this because I know at the holidays a lot of people gift these things. And I didn't put makeup on. I'm trying to get done so I go to my sister's for Thanksgiving. So I thought I'd get this up, and I got a Timu haul I'm going to do right behind it. And but I've had this for about 4 or 5 months. And I really wanted to show you this. And it's been in my pile to get done. And I'm almost at the end of my pile to get done. So that's good. So I can go on and do other things. But this is $54.95. And now they say it's regularly like $64 or something like that. But, okay. Now I subscribed. When I subscribed to the Artists Club. Okay. Now this is what I got. Okay, the first one is a little crochet kit, and it is a little fox. Nothing fantastic, you know, nothing great, nothing fantastic. It just is what it is. Okay, and then I got an endless bloom. No lie. This is basically just a dome. And some little fake flowers you put in it. And you put it in there. Okay? Then lastly, you get this twinkling heart. Great, right? All it is dyed twine. And, you know, I'm sure you stick it in glue. Go over a mold. You know how you do. Everybody knows how to do that. And that was what it was for $60. You know, and I'm thinking each one of these themselves, I would not have paid $20 for. I might have paid 10 for them, but I would not have paid 20. So there's that. Well, this is what kind of things you will get with this craft kit. Just so you know. Okay, I might have paid 10 for them, but I would not have paid 20. And they call that the artist. The artist kit. No, that's not an artist kit. Okay, so then I wait patiently for my next one because I'm thinking, we'll see what's in it, right? All right, now I specifically told them I do not like diamond paintings. So I don't like them. So, this is what I got. Okay. Now this is a diamond painting that looks like that. Which, okay, whatever. So then you get this big diamond painting that looks like that. Okay, whatever. Then you get this diamond painting that comes out to be coasters. So that's different, you know, because that's different. And then you get, I don't know what this is. But it's another one of these things. And it's got hot glue on it. It's got hot glue sticks, so you can put it all together when you're done. But it looks like that. And then you get this. This is a basket with cheap ribbon. It's supposed to be a tote bag. It's supposed to be a tote bag. And then you get your little stuff for your diamond painting. That's what I got. So I called them and I canceled. And I said, they asked me why I was canceling. And I told them the truth. Because I don't like diamond painting. Because, you know, without being rude, when you're calling it an artist box, diamond painting would probably be like, I don't know, to an artist, maybe number painting, paint by numbers. You know, most people join craft clubs because they want to learn new crafts, new arts. And this is what I got. So I called them to cancel, and the woman says, well, you should have joined our artist. I did. I did. You screwed up the first month after. You know, why would I do that? And according to them, I would assume that this is probably their craft thing anyway, their artist thing anyway, because there were two in there that weren't diamond paintings. Well, I don't know. I think I think this one has probably got some form of diamond painting on it too. Let's be honest. Kind of looks like it. So, there, yeah. Look, you got these little crystals. What do you think that is? So, I just kind of said, no, thank you. I'm not interested. So, there you go. Plus the thing is out of the bottom. Plus the little card thing is out at the bottom, so you're not going to be able to turn it on. As the batteries did. Because they took out that. So there you go. So now even this part isn't any good. Crazy, huh? That's what I say. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So anyway, I just thought I would kind of bring that to your attention in case you're thinking of doing that. Oh, and look, here's your little honeycombs. How strange. How strange. Just how strange. That's all I can say. It's how strange. These are the quality items they are putting out for $60. You know, I'm sorry, but Craft DIY was better than this for $60. You know, I just save your money, guys. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Old people need love too. Like, subscribe, do YouTube stuff. Bye.